How's it going, guys? Good afternoon. So far we've looked at marking boards, cutting boards. Today I want to show you guys a little bit about sanding and shaping these boards. Okay, already on this piece here, if you look closely, you can see I've made myself a little guide mark here. What I'm going to create on this board is what's called a beveled edge. Okay, beveled edge is going to be an angled edge that's smoothed off. It takes off this sharp edge and also makes this look a lot nicer. Okay. Now, normally I would have what's called a table vise in my shop, but because I'm not at my shop, I've worked with these parallel clamps to create a vise by taking one parallel clamp and clamping a second parallel clamp to the table surface. I can still make adjustments to this one so that I can take this board and I can clamp it securely in place here so that I can shape it with these tools. First tool, this is called a Rasp. Okay, it's in the file family. You may have seen nail files before. These are similar, but if you look at the teeth here, the teeth of this are very aggressive. So you wouldn't want to try to file your nails with something that looks like this. Okay. With this tool in particular, we always want to operate it at about a 45-degree angle. So if I have my tool set here, this would be 0. This would be 90 degrees. And right around in the middle there would be about 45. And I want to use this tool at a 45-degree angle to shape this edge here. So I'm going to take my tool. I'm right-handed, so I hold my handle with my right hand, and I use my left hand to guide my tool as I operate it. If I were a lefty, I would just switch left hand, right hand down low. Okay. So to file this, I want to start all the way up top on the edge here, and I'm going to draw the tool at a 45-degree angle, up and across, making sure that I go across that entire surface. I don't want to just go in one area. It'll file unevenly, and there'll be some areas that are deeper than others. So I want to go all the way across, all the way across, all the way across. I can only go up with this tool because these teeth, if pushed down, will tear big pieces off of the face here. So up and across, up and across, up and across. And you can see I'm pretty much at my pencil line. Once I reach my pencil line, I'll switch to my second file. Same concept, 45 angle, handle, guide. But with this tool, I can file in both directions, up and down, because as you can see, these teeth are much smaller and they won't do significant damage. Lastly, sandpaper. Okay, this sandpaper is an 80 grit sandpaper, which means that inside of a 1-inch by 1-inch square, about that big, there's about 80 pieces of sand there. I'm going to fold this once, and I'm going to sand just like with my files. I want to sand the whole surface. Sandpaper and sanding creates friction. So as you sand this, you'll feel this get warmer. And there is my beveled edge, as you can see. If you look here, straight edged. If you look here, beveled edged. I would do that all the way around if that was what I wanted. Okay? Next time, I'm going to show you an electronic sander.